Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW. It could be almost any model, any generation BMW with a turbo engine. If you have one of those and you have a condition where you have overboost or too much boost, stay with us, we'll explain what most likely causes that. Okay, top 3 things that can usually cause it, and all that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us. If you need to buy any parts, tools for your BMW and you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Number 2, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and even more on BMWs. We take them completely apart, we show you how to redo pretty much anything on those and rebuild them. Why? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Now, let's go ahead and explain what can cause overboost condition on a BMW. Pretty simple guys. This is a BMW N20 engine, 2.0 turbo 4-cylinder engine. This is our turbo down there guys. Okay, that's the turbo. Let me just focus right here. You have the turbo. Okay, one is the intake hose going right there, coming from the intake. One is the intercooler hose. The turbo will charge the air, will go through the intercooler, and it will go back to the intake. So if you're now looking at it guys, what can cause overboost? Pretty simple guys. One thing, you have a device on the turbo that's known as a diverter. That diverter is located, if you look right there, that's the diverter, that's where the hole is. You can see that's your diverter guys. We removed it, and if that diverter is stuck, stuck close, that can cause overboost condition, and it's dangerous because you can damage your engine. Also, we have a special video that explains how to install the DV Plus diverter, which makes your car way more responsive. You get better throttle response, less turbo lag as well, so it's amazing. Number 2, wastegate guys, having problems with the wastegate. So that's your wastegate right there. If your wastegate, is not adjusted correctly to the actuator, let's say you have too much slack, the actuator may not open correctly the wastegate, and that can affect the boost as well. If you worked on your car and you get that overboost, check that on as well. That could be caused, number 3, by bad wastegate actuator as well. Bad wastegate actuator may not open the wastegate, and as a result that will result into overboost. It could be caused by, if you have an electronic wastegate actuator, just by the wastegate actuator itself. If you have the vacuum control line, control one like this one here, it could be caused by bad vacuum line or bad control wastegate control solenoid right here. Now check for leaking vacuum lines as well. And lastly guys, something else that can cause that. And lastly guys, it could be the T-map sensor. This is the Turbomap sensor that may not be reading correctly, or it's disconnected, and that can cause overboost condition as well. Those are the top 4 things that we see here at the shop that will cause overboost on a BMW. If you guys have any questions or you want to see anything specific on a BMW, let us know. We're constantly making new videos. Other BMW right here. We just did a bunch of timing chain replacements that are a weak spot on that engine, and they can fail anywhere at about 50 to 70,000 miles. 2 of them that we had failed at about 70,000 miles. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.